Nutrition, the food supplying system. What's the lesson name? Nutrition, the food supplying system. Food. First, what is meant by food? We know that food is nothing but the nutritious substances taken by the animals or plants for the maintenance of their life. So in general, food satisfy our appetite. We know that. So what is meant by food? Food is nothing but the nutritious substances which satisfy our appetite and also helpful for the maintenance of our life. So what is the maintenance here? Either it may be growth, repair, metabolism, as well as the maintenance of body temperature. All comes under the maintenance of life. So just we discussed that food is nothing but the nutritious substance. What is meant by the nutritious substances? So the nutritious substances are nothing but the nutrients what we learned in our lower classes. We know that the nutrients are essential for the growth, repair, metabolism of our life, and based on the requirement of the nutrients, they are grouped into two categories. If the nutrients are taken in large amounts, they are known as macronutrients. If the nutrients are taken in small amounts, then they are known as micronutrients. First, what are macronutrients? So the nutrients which are taken by the large quantities by our body are known as macronutrients. Example, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water. And the nutrients which are taken in small amounts by our body are known as micronutrients. For example, minerals, vitamins, roughages or fibers. So either they may be single cellular organism or multicellular organisms. Definitely they need a wide variety of food substances for the maintenance of their life. Here if we take amoeba, a single cellular microorganism, it also needs the food, and a human body which is a multicellular complex one, they also need a wide variety of food substances. So these food substances may of different types. For example, if the cells need energy, they may depend upon carbohydrates and fats. If the cells need for growth and repair, they may dependent upon proteins. So for the strong bones and nerve impulses, the cells may need minerals and water, and also to boost up our immune system, the cells need vitamins. Means here a wide variety of food substances are taken by the cells for their different functions. Now, what is meant by nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but the intake of food and using it for growth, repair, metabolism, and as well as body temperature. So intake of nutrients and the using of those nutrients for the organism's growth, repair, metabolism, as well as to maintain the body temperature. So this nutrition is a branch of science which deals with the intake of food and using of that food for the maintenance of life. Nutrition, it is not a single step. It includes several steps which mean that. So what are those? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, excretion, all together give a meaning to the nutrition.